Guangdong, App TENON, Science and Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011. TENON is a famous high-tech enterprise in China, which is specializing in researching, production, and distributing digital smart locks. With 10 years manufacturing experience, TENON, the national high-tech enterprise in China, is the first listed company, stock code 833559, in the smart lock industry. Our company has over 336 employees with RMB 102 million registered capital. Our factory is located in Nansha District, Guangzhou, with a plant area of 15,000 square meter. We possess the dust-free SMT production workshop, laboratory, and R&D center that are the solid foundation of producing all circuit boards and hardware in excellent quality. We have 9 automatic production lines. The daily output of electronic locks is 1,300 sets, and the annual output is 400,000 sets. Now we have advanced technology such as biological fingerprint techniques, secret key sensor, radio frequency fingerprint reader, mortise, and so on. Meanwhile, we own 100 patents and software copyrights. Also, we have got the CE and FCC compliance verification certifications. We are strict with ourselves and responsible for every customer. With TENON, continuous product development and satisfactory after-sales service, TENON has received great praise from hundreds of agents, distributors, and countless end users. Now there are 6,000 sales points and 300 agents in domestic and overseas markets. Now, TENON is looking for overseas distributor and agents. Any interests on our smart locks? Please contact us.